Here's how to create an email signature in Gmail and how to use it. First, open Gmail in your browser and click the settings icon, which looks like a gear, in the top right corner. Then click See All Settings. Scroll down to the Signature section. Click the Create New button, give your signature a name, and then type the text you want to use for your signature in the box. You can also format the text, add images, or links. After you've created your signature, make sure to set the signature defaults. Below the signature box, there are two drop-down menus. The first one is For New Emails Use, and the second is On Reply/Forward Use. Choose the signature you just created for both of these options if you want it to appear on all new emails and replies. Finally, scroll to the bottom of the page and click Save Changes. Signatures are automatically added to all new emails and replies based on the defaults you set. If you don't want a signature on a specific email, you can remove it manually by clicking the Insert Signature icon at the bottom of the Compose window. It looks like a pen. You can also select a different signature from that menu if you have multiple signatures.